Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je m'appelle Séverine. Je suis votre professeur de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine. I am your French teacher. Comment ça va? Moi, je vais bien, merci. Well, today we're going to work on tongue twisters. Can you repeat each of these sentences 3 times correctly without getting your words wrong? Welcome to the wonderful challenge of tongue twisters. Tongue twisters allow to practice and develop correct pronunciation, articulation, and enunciation of French words and sounds. They often use crazy terms and inverted phrases to intensify the repetition or contrast of sounds. Hence, they don't make much sense. I will try to translate them as much as I'm able to do it. Still, the goal of this episode is to train for pronunciation. The first ones are easier, with more usual vocabulary and conjugation. Remember, the goal is to repeat them 3 times at least, going faster each time. All right, are you ready? I'm about to speak French now. I will be right back after this short break. And as usual, head to Speak French avec moi to find the transcript. La grosse cloche sonne. La grosse cloche sonne. La grosse cloche sonne. The big bell rings. Now you turn. La grosse cloche sonne. Right. 5 chiens chassent 6 chats. 5 chiens chassent 6 chats. 5 chiens chassent 6 chats. 5 dogs are chasing 5 cats. 5 chiens chassent 6 chats. Now your turn. Awesome. La robe rouge de Rosalie est ravissante. La robe rouge de Rosalie est ravissante. La robe rouge de Rosalie est ravissante. Rosalie's dress is charming. Of course, I'm French. It's easy for me, so take it easy on you, all right? La robe rouge de Rosalie est ravissante. Okay, let's keep going. Des blancs pains, des bons pains, des bains pleins. So this one is about nasal vowel, right? Des blancs pains, des bons pains, des bains pleins. Some white breads, some paint and benches, some full bath. Des blancs pains, des bons pains, des bains pleins. Des blancs pains, des pains pleins, des bains pleins. All right, it's getting more and more difficult. Cabulane au lac, l'âne au lac a bu l'eau. What did the donkey drink at the lake? The donkey drank some water. Let's try again. Cabulane au lac, l'âne au lac a bu l'eau. Cabulane au lac, l'âne au lac a bu l'eau. Cabulane au lac, l'âne au lac a bu l'eau. All right, number 6, you're doing well. Plus la pluie plie la pile de piles, plus la pie épie la pile de piles. I'm not sure about the translation. I think it means the more the rains fall over the pile of batteries, the more the magpie spies on the pile of batteries. As I said, they often don't make quite sense. Let's try again. Plus la pluie plie la pile de piles, plus la pie épie la pile de piles. Plus la pluie plie la pile de piles, plus la pie épie la pile de piles. Plus la pluie plie la pile de piles, plus la pile et puis la pile de pile. Now, try slowly. The sound pl is actually hard. Plus, pluie is hard. All right, so let's keep moving, and now it all is going to be about le poivre fait fièvre à la pauvre pieuvre. Pepper makes the poor octopus feverish. Le poivre fait fièvre à la pauvre pieuvre. Le poivre fait fièvre à la pauvre pieuvre. Le poivre fait fièvre à la pauvre pieuvre. Vre is hard, so let's try and make it slowly. Le poivre fait fièvre à la pauvre pieuvre. Now, this is one of the most famous French tongue twisters. Dis donc, Dina, dit-on, de di do do du, de di do du dindon. Didon allegedly ate 10 meaty bags from 10 meaty turkeys. Didon, Dina, dit-on, de di do do du, de di do du dindon. Didon, Dina, dit-on, de di do do du, de di do du dindon. Didon, Dina, dit-on, de di do do du, de di do do dindon. All right, this one, is a bit of a hard one, but it's only G sound, so it's really taking your time. And of course, we have the on sound. You remember, you make like a O with your mouth, and you lift the back of your tongue. Sorry, O on. Didon, Dina, dit-on, de di do do du, de di do du dindon. Right. On pourrait fabriquer 44 maracas grâce aux carcasses de 4 quarts cassés de Caracas. We could build 44 maracas out of the stripped body of 4 broken buses from Caracas. Let's try. On pourrait fabriquer 44 maracas grâce aux carcasses de 4 quarts cassés de Caracas. On pourrait fabriquer 44 maracas grâce aux carcasses de 4 quarts cassés de Caracas. On pourrait fabriquer 44 caracas grâce aux carcasses de 4 quarts cassés de Caracas. Even myself. All right. Let's try slowly. On pourrait fabriquer 44 maracas grâce aux carcasses de 4 quarts cassés de Caracas. Right, and now the last one, which is also very famous in French. This one is going to be all about S sound and on. All right, I will read it slowly to start. Combien sont ces 6 saucissons-ci? Ces 6 saucissons-ci sont 6 sous. Si ces 6 saucissons-ci sont 6 sous, ces 6 saucissons-ci sont trop chers. How much are these 6 salamis there? They are 6 coins. If these 6 salamis are here, are 6 coins, then these 6 salamis there are too expensive. All right, you've noticed that the word 6 in French is pronounced C in front of a consonant. Let's start again. Combien sont ces 6 saucissons-ci? Ces 6 saucissons-ci sont 6 sous. Si ces 6 saucissons-ci sont 6 sous, ces 6 saucissons-ci sont trop chers. Combien sont ces 6 saucissons-ci? Ces 6 saucissons-ci sont 6 sous. Si ces 6 saucissons-ci sont 6 sous, ces 6 saucissons sont trop chers. Combien sont ces 6 saucissons-ci? Ces 6 saucissons-ci sont 6 sous. Si ces 6 saucissons-ci sont 6 sous, ces 6 saucissons sont trop chers. All right, were you able to do it? This one is a tough one. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. J'espère qu'il vous a plu, meaning I hope you enjoyed it. Tongue twisters are really important to practice pronunciation, and I hope you're having fun with this episode. Merci encore, and wherever you are in the world, for listening and learning French. You can do it. I know you are terrific. And since you made it until the end, I have a small favor to ask you. Leave a rating and share with your friends. It will help other listeners to discover my podcast. And of course, if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out. I'm a human person. I'm not a robot. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.